Alright guys, welcome to another video. In this video guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to configure BGP routing protocol using a Cisco packet tracer. So as you guys can see, I'm using a Cisco packet tracer and I have three different networks. So I have this network right here, I have this network, and I have this network. So the way the router works is that whenever the router connects to a different network, like this network and this network, what's going to happen is the router is going to learn those connected and local network. So for example, if we do show IP route, it's going to tell us that this is connected network and this is the it's also connected network. Okay, so um same thing with this router as well. If we do show IP route, it's going to tell us that they are connected network. So with connected network, if from this computer, I'm going to be able to ping the default gateway, which the IP address is 172.12.1.1. And this device IP address is .10. So from here, I should be able to ping default gateway just fine because it is a connected network. Okay. Same thing with this computer here. Should be able to ping the default gateway as well, which is that one. Okay. But if I try to ping the 172 network, I won't be able to ping it. Okay. Because there's a different network and we need a default route, or we need a routing protocol configured on both not default route, but we need a routing protocol, either dynamic routing protocol or static routing protocol on both router to advertise the network, and then they should be able to ping from here to here. Okay, so vice versa. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna configure BGP. So we're gonna go to config terminal router BGP. We're gonna give it a autonomous number, which is 1. Enter. We're gonna tell the network that we need to advertise, which is gonna be this network here. Give it a subnet mask. Okay, and we need to enter the neighbor IP address, which is gonna be, since this router IP address 192.168.1.1 is this NFS IP address, that too is gonna be this router IP NFS here. So we're gonna do this network here. If we do question mark, it's going to ask us to enter the remote autonomous system, which is going to be the autonomous system that I'm going to configure for this network here, which is going to be 2. Okay. So now we just configure a BGP routing protocol, which is a dynamic routing protocol. So it's going to handle all of the route by itself. So we go to the second router. Router BGP, autonomous system, it's going to be 2. And we need a network that we need to advertise, which is going to be this network. And we're also going to add the mask or subnet mask and a neighbor, which is going to be this network here. And remote AS will be 1. Now, as you can see the log, it said BGP, add change, neighbor, or the IP address, and 1. And it shows up. That means the BGP is up. So if we do show IP route, we should be able to see the BGP, the network that we're going to advertise, and the next hop IP address. Okay. And same thing, we're also going to see it here. We should be able to see neighbor is up and show IP route. It's going to tell us that this is the network that we're going to be advertising. So from the router, I should be able to ping this network here. So I'm able to ping this network 172 from the router, and now I should be able to ping this computer from this computer here. So at first, when we tried, the ping failed, 100% packet loss. So now if we try again, we should be able to reach it. There you go. So now we can ping it, okay, 0% packet lost. And then if we go back here, we should be able to ping the 10 IP address as well. I think this computer IP address is that too. So is that 10? Okay. We should be able to ping that 10. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you guys in this video. Feel free to subscribe, to like, and to leave a comment. Here I talk about IT, specifically